In this video, we're going to learn about exchanges and wallets, two important concepts to understand in the cryptocurrency world. So Coinbase.com, that's the most popular exchange in USA. So exchange is where you buy and sell a cryptocurrency. So currently we're going to be buying Bitcoin. So to buy and sell Bitcoin, you would do that from an exchange. And Coinbase.com being the most popular one in US. But there is some issues with the amount of time it takes to process that. So currently when you place an order, it takes about a week to get your Bitcoins into your wallet. So that's why I prefer CoinMama. CoinMama.com is what I prefer to use as my exchange. We'll get to this in a little bit. So that's an exchange. An exchange is where you buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Currently, that's Bitcoin. A wallet is where you would store that Bitcoin once you purchase. And the one that's preferred and the one that I use all the time is blockchain. So that's blockchain.info is the wallet that we would store our cryptocurrencies in. So the first step to do is to open a wallet. So we're going to do that together and I'll walk you through the steps of creating a wallet. So go to blockchain.info. You're going to come up here to the right and click on get a free wallet. So let's click on that. So create your wallet, and of course it's a sign up process. So you enter your email, create a password. So we'll just do that quickly. Enter your email, create a password. Agree to the terms, click continue. So enter your email, create a password. Wallet created. All right, so now that we've created our wallet, the next thing to do is to set up our security center. So one of the important things to understand is an exchange like Coinbase.com does offer a wallet, but that wallet you don't hold the private keys for. So I don't recommend keeping your currencies, your digital coins in an exchange. Most of them do offer free wallets where you can keep that in the exchange. The reason for that being you don't control the private keys for that wallet. So for example, if Coinbase was to shut down or freeze, you would lose your coins. So that's why what we need to do is when we make the purchase from an exchange, we need to transfer that to a wallet. And looking at the wallet we created, that's what we're going to do in our security center, is to set up our two-factor authentication and look at our key phrase, your private key phrase that you're going to keep securely somewhere that you decide to keep. So for example, let's go to Security Center. First thing to do is verify email. So we've sent a verification email, so I'm going to go to my email, look at that. I have an email here. Let's verify this email. So that's been verified. I can go back to my wallet tab, email verified. Backup recovery phrase. This is the most important thing in having a wallet. This is going to be a 12-word key phrase that you are going to keep somewhere. So you write it down in a secure place, have it in a Excel stored somewhere. This 12-word key phrase you cannot forget, and that's your phrase to back up your wallet and to set it up on your phone as well. So this phrase is very important that you need to keep somewhere. So what you need to do is click backup phrase and it's going to generate that phrase. I'm not going to do it on screen, but that's what you need to do. So first step is verify email, click backup phrase, and you can see they have created a sheet. You can do this as well. I prefer to just write it down in a secure place. You can decide however you want to keep this, however you keep store your passwords, whatever the case is. This 12-word key phrase needs to be stored somewhere. That's the important aspect of owning this wallet. So backup recovery phrase, next step, and it's gonna start creating your phrase. You need to write all these down and it's gonna ask you for verification. So I'm not gonna do that on screen because this is private keys to this current wallet and I don't want to do that on screen, but that's what you would do. Alright, so take some time to write these down either on pen and paper or somewhere that you're going to store it securely, because if you lose the 12-word phrase, you're going to lose your wallet. So So that needs to be very secure. So it's a very important thing. Write it down. So once you're done noting down the 12-word key phrase, click on Final Step. It's going to ask you to verify. So write it down, your 1 through 12, and put your 6, 12, etc. to verify. And once you're done with that, you would have backed up your recovery phrase. You can close this. So we verified our email, we verified our phrase, we backed that up. That's very important. You can create a password hint optionally. I'm going to skip that for now. You can create that if you like. Level 2, on our security center, we want to sync this up. Link mobile number. Let's do that. You can do that as well. And it's going to send you a verification code. Verify. So we verified our mobile number, and we're going to enable two-step authentication. It's another security measure that we're going to take to secure our wallet. Two-step verification is recommended, and I would enable that on my wallet. You can use Google Authenticator. So that's an app that you can download, Google Authenticator. Or you can use your mobile phone number. Either one works. I'm going to select for this instance, use your mobile phone number. And we have set up our two-factor authentication. Close that. So that's our step 2. Step 3 as well. We're going to block Tor requests. You can read that. We were taking as much steps as possible to secure our wallet, because that's going to be our place that we're going to store our currencies. So I'm going to click on block. And we have done step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm going to create a password hint as well so I can be completely done with it. Create some. Click on save. And now we've done with our security center. So that was our first step to do once we opened up our wallet, is to come to Security Center and go through the process of securing our wallet. Level 1 is email verification, backing up a phrase, and a password hint. The most important of these being your 12-word phrase, key phrase that you need to store somewhere that you decide securely. And then we're going to go through the process of linking our phone, enabling two-step authentication, and block Tor. So that will be done with our verification. Now, for example, let me sign out and then we can log in. Thanks. Continue to log in. So for example, when you come back to blockchain, in your email, you will get your wallet ID. This is your wallet ID. This email you need to save as well. So this is to log into blockchain. Most of the time, if you're just using one wallet, it will default to this wallet ID. But in case you don't know that or don't have it, you can copy this over and use that to log in. All right, let's log into our blockchain wallet. Again, your wallet ID would be sent in your email verification email, so keep that email saved so you have that. Login is going to ask you for your two-factor code. All right, now that we've logged in, we've created our wallet, we've backed up our phrase, so we have our wallet ready. So the next thing that we need to do is go and purchase Bitcoin. So the next step now is to go to our exchange and purchase our Bitcoin. So the two other things that you need to keep in mind is whenever you want to request money or receive money into your wallet, you're going to click on request. Whenever you want to send it to a different wallet, send it to someone else, send it to a different program, whatever the case is, you're going to send money from your wallet. When you request you're requesting money. So when we buy from an exchange, we're essentially requesting money requesting Bitcoins or our currency, cryptocurrency, into our wallet. So what we need to do is click on request, And you need to copy this address. So you can click on copy, and it's going to be copied to your clipboard. And we would need that when we go to our exchange and make a purchase.